Hello, welcome to this video. In the last video, we saw how to configure the SMTP server on Jenkins so we can send out emails notifications from the jobs. So in this video, we're going to see how to do it itself. So I'm going to create a new SMTP job as a freestyle job. It leads me to the configuration page. Also in this video, I'm going to show you about the extended email notifications, which is a bit different that we saw in the last video. In this one, we will need a parameter. So I'm going to add the string parameter, which we are going to use later. Going to go back to the build section. In this case, as the notifications will be configured to send out emails once the build failed, I'm going to force to fail the job with the exit one and go directly to the post build functions. In this case, I'm going to add the editable email notification, which is this one. I'm going to set the SMTP Jenkins, the name for the project. This is another plugin for notifications. Scroll down to the advanced settings. Scroll down to the triggers. In this case, failure any, which means if the job fails by any circumstance, will be notified the recipient list. I'm going to add the recipient list. I'm going to delete developers and going to click advanced as well. And here I'm going to add the email. The channel at gmail.com. Okay. It's the email, the name, it's the build section ready. We can also use this variable. Where is it? Default recipients as a parameter. Put here the email as well. This is not mandatory, but it works as well. Okay, I'm going to save it, and I need to go to the Manage Jenkins section because I'm going to configure the SMTP server in a different place. Configure system. I'm going to search for email. Here, extended email notification. I'm going to select smtp@gmail.com. Advanced. Use SMTP authentication. So I'm going to use the same email. tech.channel@gmail.com and the password. Okay. In this case, this plugin, it only allows me to use SSL, so the port will be different, 465, and that's it. Okay, default content. Here we can customize what we see in the email. Let's see, this is okay. I'm setting down this string and save it. I'm going to go back to the job and I'm going to run it. Okay, just click on build. It will fail because the exit one that we place on the execute shell section. Okay, let's go to see to console output, and this is the part that we care about it is in this video. Sending email to hah.tech.channel@gmail.com, and we can see in the Gmail tab that we just received a new email. Here is the SMTP underscore job that we set on the job configuration. It says what the bill number that the job have, and the status is the failure. If I click inside, we can see also the custom message that we place in the global settings. We can also add more variables. Uh, okay, going back to the manage section, configure system. We can see here in the default content and also the default subject that it it is calling the project name variable, which is retrieved from the job itself. Also the build number, this and the build status. These are retrieved from the job, from the last run. And here the build URL, it will place the URL to directly click in it and open the job. As you can see, I just click and redirects me to the actual job. This is very helpful when you have a lot of jobs running several times per day, and you can filter the results only for failures, because you can also receive notifications when they succeed. So if you are, let's say, a project manager or a developer or as a DevOps, you need to monitor what is failing and check the root cause for that. This is all for this video. I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe to the channel and let your comments there. Uh, Thanks for watching.